Hey everyone, so recently I was looking at my current business cards and I started to feel like they were looking pretty outdated. I have one right here, they're from college, and I feel like this JN monogram just still kind of screams that I'm a university student. I still think it's pretty cool to have a business card in this day and age, and it leaves a nice in-person impact. So in this video, I'm gonna design myself a new one. All right everyone, so now that we're over here in Illustrator, we're gonna get started on the business card design. I'm using this template from a website called Move. I like ordering from them, they make really cool business cards. Or just to show you guys, the artboard size is actually 3.66 by 2.16, and that accounts for the bleed because the final business card is going to be 3.5 by 2 inches. All right, so we can hide this stuff. As you saw with my old business cards, I have them here in this InDesign document. I like them. I'm still probably going to use a similar like kind of style, very simple, but I'm sick of this JN monogram. Monogram, sorry, it's kind of cheesy, and I like the orange, but I want to gravitate towards something a little bit more simple and incorporate the smiley that I've been using a lot. So we're gonna grab this first, and obviously I didn't invent this and it's not necessarily my logo, but it's something that's became recognizable for me on social media and things, so it kind of only makes sense. All right, let's get this centered, and I want to make sure this has like a nice size to make enough of an impact, but I don't want it to overpower it. So yeah, like that's actually pretty good. Maybe like a few percent bigger we can mess with. Let's go to transform, scale, and let's do 2%. Right there's good. Well, now we have the easy part done because that's just that smiley face in there right in the center. I gotta figure out my layout on the back. Hey everyone, so as we know, business cards are super important for personal branding, and you know what else is? A website. This is why I want to thank today's video sponsor, Zyro. Zyro is a website builder that's easy to use, fast, and affordable. The team over at Zyro offer 24/7 support. You don't have to know how to code. All their templates are optimized for mobile, and it's a great place for building that much needed design portfolio. Zyro is a great option because the templates are easily customizable, or you can even create your own design from scratch. The interface is drag and drop, easy to use, and all the templates work with a bunch of different design styles. Lucky for you though, you can click the link below and use my promo code Jesse, Jesse, for an exclusive discount and 3 months free with any yearly plan. So check it out and start building that portfolio today. Back to the video. All right, now on the back, I think I want to use Neue Haas Grotesque mostly, but I also want to use obviously to make it a little bit more fun. I want the back to be simple, but I think I want the name large. I think on my last one, that was kind of a mistake. So let's do narrow black, and then let's do this pretty large like that. And then we'll get this stretched out a little bit. And then I think from there, I want the information just to be at the bottom on like a grid. So let's actually get a little layout going. So we want graphic designer. Over here, I think we'll put the email and then maybe the website in the middle. Or we can put the title up here, that might work. Let's actually do it like this. Justify it. This could be cool. All right, and then here we can do jessenyberg.design. Over here, we'll do the email. All right, I think this could work. Maybe we can stack this stuff. Don't try to call this or anything. It's all made up. Yeah, I'm liking that. It's pretty tight. So we have all the information we need pretty much. Graphic designer is feeling a little bit lost. Maybe we all make this medium. Yeah, I'm kind of liking this actually. I'm gonna just mess with the spacing a little bit. So here's the final design all mocked up. I'm pretty happy with these. I like the layout and the composition. I'll probably perfect it a little bit more, add my own phone number and everything. But I'll do an update video in the beginning of a future video once I get these shipped to me. So that'll be cool. Thank you so much for watching. If you want the source file from today's video and a bunch of other goodies, you can check out the Patreon below. And if you want to see me design some more stuff, you can watch either of these videos, and I'll see you next time. Peace.